In the heart of ancient India, where the Ganges flowed majestically, there existed a bustling city known as Patliputra. In this city, in the year 476 AD, a child was born who would one day illuminate the dark skies with his mathematical brilliance. This child was Aryabhata. Born into a family of scholars, Aryabhata's thirst for knowledge was ignited at a tender age. He was taught the Vedas, the sacred texts of India, but his mind yearned for more. The mysteries of the cosmos called out to him, and he sought to unravel them. As he grew, Aryabhata's understanding of mathematics and astronomy deepened. He delved into the works of great mathematicians before him, absorbing their wisdom like a sponge. However, he soon realized that the knowledge he sought was not entirely contained within the pages of ancient texts. The crisis came when Aryabhata recognized that the existing theories on the cosmos were incomplete. He found himself at odds with the prevailing beliefs, which held that the Earth was flat and stationary at the center of the universe. Yet, he was convinced that the universe was round and that the Earth revolved around the Sun. Undeterred by the skepticism of his peers, Aryabhata embarked on a journey to prove his theories. He retired to a quiet monastery, where he devoted himself to mathematical calculations and astronomical observations. For years, he toiled in solitude, his mind a whirlwind of figures and equations. Finally, after years of labor, Aryabhata emerged with a groundbreaking treatise. He titled it Aryabhata, a comprehensive work on mathematics and astronomy that would leave a lasting impact on the world. In it, he presented his revolutionary ideas about the cosmos, including the concept of zero, the calculation of the value of pi, and the explanation of solar and lunar eclipses. The consequences of Aryabhata's work were profound. His treatise was met with awe and admiration, and it spread throughout the known world. Scholars from China to Persia translated and studied Aryabhata, incorporating its teachings into their own works. Aryabhata's ideas on the round Earth and revolving Sun, once considered heretical, were gradually accepted as truth. Aryabhata's legacy continues to shine brightly in the annals of history. His contributions to mathematics and astronomy laid the foundation for future generations of scholars. His life serves as a testament to the power of human curiosity and the indomitable spirit of inquiry that drives us to explore the mysteries of the cosmos. In the words of Aryabhata himself, the Earth, my dear, is like a mound of ashes revolving in the space, and the space is like the ocean with limitless dimensions. Aryabhata, the celestial pioneer from ancient India, continues to guide us through the cosmos, reminding us that the sky is not the limit, but merely a starting point for our ceaseless journey of discovery.